Acetylene is a colourless, flammable gas and is the best and most versatile fuel gas for oxy-acetylene welding and cutting. It can also be used for localized heating, for straightening, bending, forming, hardening, or tempering. It is the hottest flame temperature when compared to other fuel gases. Due to its high temperature flame, acetylene is used in flame cleaning to remove rust from steel and spalling concrete. Specially purified instrument-grade acetylene, which has impurities removed, is used in atomic absorption, analytical instrumentation, and navigational beacons. Acetylene is available from Afrox in a maroon cylinder. Visit afrox-gas.co.za to explore the best and most cost-effective solution, or contact our call center on 0860 020202.